Weekend here with a quick tip video. This one is how to safely remove the heatsink on your slim Xbox 360 for RGHing. So this is the Xclamp. It has retainers that clip around and kind of grab into these little studs that are coming off of the heatsink. So in order to safely remove this, I really strongly recommend this Team Executor Xclamp removal tool. Last time I checked, you could still get these online on eBay all over the place for $1 or $2. Really handy little tool. So this is how you safely use it. You jam it in so it fits like a fork on either side there. And I said jam, but you know, be a little careful here. And then just bend upwards and apply some pressure, and that will kind of just break that little indentation out of being clamped in there and having kind of some spring pressure on it. So you'll just bring that up, and that one pops loose. And then when you just do the next one, that one pops loose. Then you move on to the third one. And by that time, you can almost just kind of wiggle it around. And then the whole thing just pops right off for you. And that's how you safely remove the Xclamp, so that you can then turn your console over and safely remove your heatsink. Thanks for watching.